Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Anjum Shehzadi and I am running a YouTube channel. The name of my channel is Qurani Malumat 99. It's my personal channel and I did a lot of effort day and night and I did struggle to reach on this point. I did many effort and it's my advice, and I took data from the Quran Pak and translate that into my own words, and then after that I explain it. um, a few days ago I received a mail from your side that my channel is demonetized. The reason of the demonetization that I deleted 3 of videos from my channel. I did it very mistakenly because I saw some video on a YouTube channel that was according to the hashtag, and from that video I thought okay, I will take a video from other side and there will be not a copyright if I will edit that. I edited that video and after uploading video I received a mail that the issue of copyright, so I deleted my 3 video consecutively. I don't know where was the what about the video and what was that. So by this mistake I think so I received a mail about demonetization. As you know, I struggle hard. I did a lot of work on my channel, and after years struggle I completed my Quran translation. So it's a my humble request. It's my first mistake, so I want to do apologize to you. Please kindly I can't do monetize my channel because I have no idea about that. I already struggled a lot. It's my humble request. Please cooperate with me and help me to do. I will never do this mistake again. Thank you. Kindly do favor with me and accept my this appeal. I will be very thankful to you, and I will never do the mistake again. I will never copy any video from internet or other sources. I will do myself. Thank you so much. Anjum Shehzadi is here. Your sincerely a YouTube channel is running, name 19 Qurani Malumat 1999. Thank you. Waiting for your best. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज सूरा यूसुफ यानी हज़रत यूसुफ के वाक़या का आखिरी हिस्सा है। तो बहुत कुछ आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलने वाली है, कुरानी मालूमात आप तक मैं पहुंचाने वाली हूं जो कि इस वाक़या से हमें हासिल होती है। यूसुफ अलैहिस्सलाम की आमद हुई और दोनों के दरमियान आपस में गुफ्तगू हुई और बादशाह जो है वो हज़रत यूसुफ अलैहिस्सलाम की गुफ्तगू से बड़ा मुतासर हुआ कि 30 बरस की उम्र और ये इल्म का वस्त देख कर बादशाह को बहुत हैरत हुई और उसने आपको अपने बराबर जगा दी। बादशाह ने दरख्वास्त की कि हज़रत अपनी ज़बान से ख्वाब की ताबीर बयान फरमाइए। यानी उनके बाद बोले कि अब and I edited videos with InShoot and my mobile. Please accept my appeal. Thank you.